This is a 2018 Chevrolet Silverado crew cab, teal over black interior, power windows, locks, and mirrors, leather wrap steering wheel, cruise control, OnStar, electronic climate control, traction control, heated seats, remote start. There's a look at the rear seat, running boards, aluminum wheels, receiver hits, lockable tailgate, backup camera, bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is four-wheel drive, powered by a 5.3-liter V8 engine. So it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Chevrolet, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.